Hey guys, Todd with Vapor Honing Technologies. In our previous video, Ryan had actually went in and wet blasted this part to give it that shiny OEM finish. What I'm gonna do is from here over, we're actually gonna use our dry blast cabinet using the exact same glass bead, and we're gonna compare these two finishes so you can determine what best suits your need. Let's give it a shot and see what it looks like. Okay guys, so we're back. We finished blasting this side in our dry blast, and this is still the wet blast. Didn't touch it at all while we were dry blasting. In all honesty, there's not a lot of difference in this particular type of material. Now, if you had a smooth finish piece of cast, it may be different, but this is more of a rough finish to begin with anyway. And as far as cleaning, they both ran about the same amount of time. They both did the exact same thing that we expected them to do. So it really depends on which works best in your shop, whether you want to go with the dry or you want to go with the wet. The finishes are going to be almost identical. Pressures will run virtually about the same. So honestly, between the wet and the dry, there's not a whole lot of difference. Again, if it's a very smooth surface, something like this, yeah, you probably get a difference in the texture and the finish, but with what we have here, I'd be hard pressed to tell you which one was which, to be honest with you, if I hadn't done it myself. If you have any questions or comments, give us a call, 828-202-5563. Thanks for watching.